Hey, what is up guys, back here with another video, and today I want to teach you some tips and tricks about Windows. Anyways, let's get started. So the first tip that I'm going to give you is how to delete all the icons from your home screen. So the first thing that we want to do is highlight everything or all the icons except trash, and then right click on them, and you want to press delete. Don't worry, this will not delete any of the applications. So once you press delete, all those icons will disappear. Now, as you see here, if we right click on trash, we can't delete it. So we have to right click on the wallpaper, go to view, and under view, we want to press show desktop icons. And if you press that, the whole wallpaper is empty and it looks pretty clean. So the second tip that I'm going to show you is how to get rid of all of the crap that you don't need here, especially the search, Cortana, and the people button right there. So the first thing that we do is right click on the taskbar and then go under search and then press hidden. There you go, the search button is gone. And don't worry, you can still search by going to Windows or pressing the Windows key and typing whatever you want. The second thing that we want to get rid of is the Cortana button. So again, we right click on the taskbar and then press show Cortana button. If you press that, that's gone. The next thing that we want to do is get rid of the people button. So right click on the taskbar again and press show people on the taskbar, and we press that and that's gone. And the thing that I use on a daily basis every day is using small taskbar buttons. So the first thing that we want to do is go to taskbar, actually right click on the taskbar and go to taskbar settings, which will lead you to this page right here. And then we want to check use small taskbar buttons, and if we check that, that's really small and just cleans up the whole wallpaper, and you got more real estate to work with, which I really like. So the third tip that I'm going to teach you is how to get rid of all the other tabs, just minimizing them in a much faster way. So the first thing that we want to do is left and then right click on the tab that you are working with on the top, and then shake it a little bit, and there you go, it's gone. And if you want to bring it back, you can do it another easy way by doing the exact same thing. Left click, right click, and then shake. There you go, and it's back. That's pretty cool. So the fourth tip that I'm going to teach you is how to bring up the emoji keyboard. So the first thing that we want to do is click on something that we want to type on and then press the Windows and period key to bring up the emoji keyboard and some symbols too. So the fifth and final tip, maybe even the most important tip that I'm going to teach you today, is how to stop Windows updates for the next month. So the first thing that we want to do is go to settings. Under settings, we want to go to update and security. Under that, we will be greeted by this page. So right here it says pause updates for 7 days. We want to click that, actually rapidly click that until it's grayed out. So as you see here, for me, Windows updates will be paused until January 1st, 2021, which is great. And if you want to resume your updates, you can press resume updates and update immediately. So hopefully you guys liked this video and got something useful out of it. And if you like this video, like it. If you love this video, smash the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss a single video of mine. Plus, follow me on my Twitter account that's going to be linked right below the like button to get updates on more videos that are going to be coming out very soon. Anyways guys, that's going to be it. Peace.